ACS55 series of component drives from ABB offers a compact drive option that allows you to drastically reduce panel clutter as well as commissioning, energy costs, and installation time. With a power range of 0.5 to 3 horsepower and optimized switching up to 16 kHz, these drives can be used in a variety of applications and industries like food and beverage machines, heat exchangers, packaging machines, ovens, X-ray screening systems, and many more. These drives work with single-phase power supply, are DIN rail mountable, have an IP20 protective chassis, and coated boards, making them suitable for any domestic environment. The compact size and versatility of these drives allows you to replace cumbersome contactors and starters in your control panel without having to compromise on quality or efficiency when it comes to running your applications. Other features of the ACS55 series include quiet motor operation, fast drive configuration with ABB's Drive Config Kit, removable mounting clip, automatic switching frequency, built-in EMC filter, and best of all, ABB's ACS55 series drives can be seamlessly integrated into simple machines like automatic gates, conveyors, and other commercial applications thanks to its easy installation and configuration. To learn more about the ACS55 series of component drives from ABB, visit us at gelco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Gelco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.